In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cash out on Squarespace step by step. Whether you're a new seller or running a growing online store, this guide will walk you through the exact process to withdraw your earnings from Squarespace smoothly and securely. First, open your web browser and go to the Squarespace website. This is your central hub for managing your site and payments. If you're already logged in, simply click on your profile picture at the top right and select Account Dashboard. If not, click Login and sign in using your email or continue with Google for quick access. Once you're inside, head to your website's dashboard, which is the control center for your store. In the top left search bar, type Payments to access your Squarespace payment settings, where you manage how you get paid. Click on the Payments section. Squarespace currently supports 3 payout methods: Stripe, PayPal, and Square, US only. Choose the method that best suits your needs. This step determines how you'll receive your funds. To proceed, set up your preferred payout option. Most users connect via Stripe on Squarespace, which securely handles deposits to your bank account. You'll also find options to link PayPal or Square if you're based in the US. Be sure to enter your bank or account details accurately to ensure a smooth and timely cash out from your Squarespace account. And that's it, a complete guide on how to receive payments from Squarespace and transfer Squarespace funds to your bank or PayPal account. Always verify your payment info is up to date to avoid payout delays. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on Squarespace payment setup, managing store earnings, and other tools to grow your online business.